got the sauce.
Going home in the evening after work hours. Is one of the, I mean, this is called rush hour. This is called rush hour when everybody's going home. So you want to be as careful as possible. There's a lot of traffic, everybody wants to get home. Person's doing this, person doing that. You know, a lot of congestion, this and that. You know, a lot of things going on, so you got to be very, very careful, you know. Got to be very careful, you know. I need some back shocks, boy. Come on, you can do it. Rush hour. Woo! See that van? See that van? Coming up and they don't see you. Bombard. Stay up on your hand. Don't let go this. I kinda stop right hard in high traffic because it puts me at a lot of see that? Woo! I love wiggle up through the traffic, your friend. But me I calm it these days. Me I take me look at time. Police, police, police. Vehicle I want to turn right. There's no space, so let me hold my hand. Bounty killer, me I go straight over. Then me can't find the middle lane. Woo! Yeah! In this case, the horn is your best friend. Matter of fact, you shouldn't be going through the traffic at this speed. Ah, he took the outside. Ah! Me don't know, me just loving at the middle, dog. Me don't know. Me we stay in the middle. Me we legit stay in the middle, dog. Take the outside now. Keep on this on, brother. Don't let go it. I wish I had a louder horn though. Might have go left. Alright. Take it on the outside. Then go back in. This car wants to turn right, so we are going to allow him some space. Alright, we get past the majority of the traffic now. Woo! In them hours you have to watch for everybody indicator. Look, everybody wants to turn. Go on over now. Sure. Yeah, oh, yep, sure. Everybody's turning somewhere, so you have to be very careful and watch for the indicators. Some people might not even use any indicator, so you have to watch them wheel. Where them wheel are go. You have to think ahead. You can't be riding in the traffic and have tunnel vision. Your eyes have to be all about. Your mind has to be all about as well. Eyes behind you, eyes in front of you, eyes everywhere. You're gonna pull out. Alright. Take the right, but I allow that carrier to go. Then I just filter in behind him. You have to watch out for the bike man as well, who now obey traffic signals and all of them things there. There's just so much that's going on from where I left to here. There's just so much going on. Take around here, sucker. Around this, so. Woo! Woo! Lock down my visor because I be a bug. But will look like it up here, so. I turn him a turn. Nice big corner, lean into it. Woo! Oh, yeah.
The next day.
Like road here so quicker. Why my phone in my pocket? One thing, you know, and make for done, you know. And make for yours. Dude, I was doing it on that corner, man. Whew, that felt nice as hell, brother. Alright, I'm going to take my time. Alright, okay, we got a left lane over here. I'm gonna take two here. I'm a determined motherfucker, man. Shoot. God damn, bro. Come like a worse place me come to blouse and skirt. Should he go round, so dog? No, brother. Hey, bike up back on me. Dead your freak. Dead your freak. Trouble night. Me slow down still, me slow down. So you go on, trouble night. I think you can run every 250. How are this? Think you can run every 250? Just I'm gonna stick with him, I'm not give it yet. Soon give it out so. How this? How this? I go and cruise with him. Now when I pass him, I go and cruise with him. Because I see say must stick by me in the traffic, you see me? Must stick by me in the traffic, you fret. But me I go easier now, man. Buy some gas at Stone Hill. Ratty doodle. My back brake hot is a shame. I look back. Yo, me slow down now, me G. Me slow down now, me G. Me slow down now. I burn too much gas, my back brake hot. My back brake now all. No sir, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that ratted. Why? Mama, me skip over it, thank you Jesus. Yo, that traffic was happening. Me not ride back down this again. Me not ride back down this so. Me go around Chartwood Road. Me not ride back down this so, brother. Cause me think say down there that be shorter, but because of the traffic, me ride it down the worst. Down the worst of them blouse and skirt. Chartwood. Me not ride back down there, brother. You know how much gas me burn a while ago? How much gas me burn a while ago? Dog, you want to die? Alright people, thanks for tuning in. Me I go buy some gas you know. Me I go mix the gas. Me start mix the gas. Ooh. Got you parties. Oh, there someone. I like how them people move by gas station no like they no want to go. Yo, what go on shot man? What new thing you upon? No man, I same old? Alright bro. Alright bro. Them people that come like they don't want to sell man gas in a dog. Blouse and skirt. Anyways, I go buy about 8 bills 87. and 3 bills. No, me I buy 7. No, me I, shit, me I buy 8 bills 87 and 2 bills 90 just to mix it, you see me? Sure. Anyways, later.